Hi guys, okay, let me show you how I make these soap bars with the sunstone on top of it. Okay, so here you see what I'm going to use. I have all my oils, my lye, my coloring, my scent, and of course the little stones. In this soap bar I'm using sunstones. All of them have a little sparkle, but it's kind of hard to get it on recording. So as you can see, they have sparkle, all of them have. Here I'm getting all gloved up and I'm going to mix my oils together. I'm going to add the lye, the scent and the coloring. I'm using 3 colors, mostly because I find it more fitting with the stone. It was a bit matchy. Here you see I'm separating everything by color. And I'm gonna dunk everything in the same bucket again to get a bit of a swirly pour. The oils were ticking up just a little bit, but it was still fine. It was easy to work with. So here I'm gloving up again because I was making a mess. And I'm going to add a frosted top. As you see, I'm piping everything and it looks so adorable. Gonna add some gold mica dust. And here I'm adding the Sunstone chips. Every bar will get their own stone. And if they don't have the stone, I'm not going to sell them as Sunstone soap bars. They're just end pieces. And here's the finished result. I freaking love it. It looks adorable. Here in sunlight. Let's cut it. Okay, the first bar, as you can see, there's quite a lot of swirls and I love it. They are hand cut, so maybe a bit crooked, but I don't care. I love it. Like I said, the end pieces, they don't have stones. And that's fine, I'm going to sell them in mystery soap bundles or maybe as freebies, but they won't sell with these. Look how adorable they are. And look at the shimmer and the shine and the sparkle. I freaking love it. Thank you for watching.